Nicole from Design Tech Remodeling is joining us to talk about the latest in remodeling trends. Nicole, today we're going to focus on trends in bathrooms. And looking back to what was popular a decade or two ago, things have really evolved.
Do you remember those jetted whirlpool tubs? We're taking a lot of those out. We're providing homeowners with freestanding soaking tubs, or a lot of homeowners want the option to increase the size of their shower and make it more luxurious for them.
But creating a spa-like experience is still the goal for many bathroom remodels.
Correct. So finishes that have that high-end feel but are not going to break the bank, so finding nice solutions to that. Also showers, body sprays, dual function heads, all those different little features that make it more spa-like.
And of course, functionality plays an important role as well.
Yeah, so we work really closely with our homeowners determining what their needs are for everyday storage uses. Is it dual vanities, linen cabinets, or over-the-counter tower cabinets? Those are all things that we can pick and choose from.
Well, as always, thanks for the great information, Nicole.
Thanks, Lori.
And to get started on your home project, give Design Tech Remodeling a call today or visit them online at designtechremodeling.com.